so much. Gurudev, in my language, we always say, Name Same Karinchel. I offer you, the festival organizers and everyone here, my gratitude that goes beyond the sky, beyond the earth. Thank you. I had a pretty interesting career starting off as a filmmaker. I didn't go to film school. I fell in love with storytelling. I used to work as a stills photographer. And very late, in 2019, I decided to make my first film. And I wanted it to be set in the world's remotest school, she said, a yak in the classroom. And everyone told me, oh, Paul, it's film, you're supposed to cheat. Just shoot it back here and, pretend that it's the world's remotest school. But I wanted it to be authentic.